Ancient structures could rewrite Indonesian history. According to www.thejakartapost.com, geologists have called on the government to follow up on a number of geoarchaeological findings that could potentially alter the mainstream view of the history of human civilization in Indonesia. Speaking to the Jakarta Post recently, Indonesian Geologists Association Advisory Board head Andang Bahtiar said there were at least half a dozen recent geoarchaeological discoveries that, if properly explored and studied, may well rewrite Indonesian history. Among them are the discoveries at the Mount Padang historical site in Cianjur, West Java, the site of Hindu kingdom that rests beneath the site of the Samudra Pasai kingdom in northern Aceh, and an ancient brick-making site in the Majapahit kingdom of Mojokerto, East Java. The brick-making site in Mojokerto, discovered in 2013, for example, is estimated to be much older than Majapahit Kingdom itself, one of the largest pre-independent kingdoms in the archipelago, according to Andang. Based on radiocarbon measurement, the bricks at the site are estimated to date back to the 5th century before century, indicating the existence of ancient remnants there, said Andang, a member of an independent research team that found and mapped out the subsurface site by using electromagnetic imaging devices. Majapahit was established in the late 13th century and fell apart around 2 centuries later. Kutai Martadipura in East Kalimantan, established in the 4th century meanwhile, is acknowledged as the country's oldest recorded kingdom. Andang said the new findings indicated that the other ancient kingdom had probably existed long before the two kingdoms. If the ancient kingdom really existed, the next thing we can discover about it are the technology and the governance or systems. This is definitely a huge amount of work for Indonesian researchers, Andang said, adding that the discovery of the ancient brick-making facility has not been widely publicity until recently. Separately, Mount Padang Independent and Integrated Research Team leader Dhani Hilman Natawijaya said the recent discovery of a metal-coated stone artifact resembling a traditional kujang weapon on Mountain Padang seems to prove that the Indonesian archipelago had been home to advanced civilization stretching back for a longer period than originally thought. This proves that humans living in Indonesia during the period were already familiar with metal and its benefits, said Dhani, who is also an ancient catastrophe and geology expert at the Indonesian Institute of Sciences, or LIPI. The Mount Padang historical site, previously frequented by pilgrims seeking fame, fortune, and power, is widely regarded as a hidden masterpiece of the archipelago ancient civilization since its rediscovery at 2012. Carbon dating test shows that the structures at the site would be back as far as 14,000 before century or even earlier. The megalith, believed to be the biggest of its kind in Southeast Asia, is marked by large stones of various sizes. Some are neatly arranged, others are in heaps. Ancient civilization. The megalith site of Gunung Padang was discovered in 1914 and is the largest site of its kind in Indonesia. It is buried among volcanoes, banana palms, and tea plantations in 2,900 feet, about 885 meters above sea level, some 75 miles, about 120 kilometers in south of Jakarta. Geologist Dr. Hani Hilman believes the site is culturally important is because it is an ancient pyramid which was built between 9,000 and 20,000 years ago. He suggests that it may have been built for worship or astronomy. Egypt's oldest pyramid was built almost 5,000 years ago, but a similar structure hidden beneath rubble could be up to 4 times older. If this is true, the claim could rewrite prehistory on an obscure yet powerful and advanced ancient civilization. If this is true, If the structures in West Java is revealed to be 20,000 years ago pyramid, it will be the oldest on Earth. Andang and Tani said, the new geoarchaeological finding could potentially update the history of Indonesian civilization and fill in gaps in historical knowledge that leave the archipelago shrouded in misery. The government must open its mind. This is a scientific world. They could at least begin by opening up a public discussion about these findings, Adang said. 1. Mount Padang, historical site in Cianjur, West Java. 2. The site of Hindu kingdom beneath the Samudra Pasai kingdom in northern Aceh. 3. The Pasemah Megalith complex in Lahat, South Sumatra. 4. The Badavallai Megalithikum site in Poso, Central Sulawesi. 5. The temple complex at the top of Mountain Penanggungan in Pasuruan, East Java. 6. The temple complex at the top of Mountain Sadahurip in Garut, West Java. 7. Batujaya Temple in Karawang, West Java. 8. The ancient brick-making site beneath the Majapahit Kingdom in Mojokerto City, East Java.